Hi, my name is Ian Falconi. I've started this mock for BrickFair New England. It's the Battle of Lexington and Concord. I thought of doing something more local. I'm into military, and Lexington is like 50 minutes away from the convention center. So I thought I would like to show something that a lot of people would recognize. So I went with the Battle of Lexington and Concord. It's neither the town, it was the march in between the towns, where the British wanted to confiscate weapons from weapon holds in Concord to start the rebellion.
Now, when you were kind of putting this build together, are there any reference materials that you were able to use, like historical documents or sketches from the period?
I took some sketches of dirt roads, and I went on a few hikes around the area, and I got some ideas of scenery and hills and small objects like that. And I took some paintings from the time, not exactly the area, but New England as a whole, because it was mainly, depending on where it was, undeveloped. All the British minifigures I got on BrickLink, and there was a store that had 350 of them. I got 100 because next year I hope to expand this. The Americans are just random figures from several series, like Pirates of the Caribbean, Lord of the Rings, and some older sets. And the weapons and custom elements are brick arms. And the hats are all Lego. The only things that aren't Lego are the muskets.